Yay, I am so happy that our charger and cable just came because we needed it. My last one bent at the edge and it wasn't making a good connection. So that's why we searched on Amazon to buy these. What's nice about this pack is that you get a car adapter as well. Now, my husband has the Samsung S25 and I have the S24 Ultra. So because of that, we need the 45-watt charger. So it can be super fast. But we could even have done with the 25, but the 45 is going to be quicker. Now, what's nice about this adapter, it has a 45 watt and a 25 watt. So both my husband and I, we could charge both of ours in the car at the same time. Another nice feature is this main one. Now this one is for the power adapter. 45 watt is super fast and it can really charge your devices super quick. Now another nice feature is these fabric cables. I really like that. So it's nice and like a fabric with the wires inside. So this is the Type-C cable on both sides, and then you get this and put it in here, and then you're able to put it onto your phone. What's really super nice about this cable is it's super long. It is 6 feet, as well as this one's 6 feet too. Now let me show you how it works. We just put it into the electrical outlet, and now I'm going to plug this in. And right here it says super fast charging 2.0. That is faster than fast charging, as well as definitely faster than just charging. It's 30 minutes until full charge, super fast speeds. So I definitely recommend purchasing these two 6-foot cables, as well as this car adapter and this super fast charger for Type-C. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.